on number 15, if I convert it to have a rational exponent, it's going to be 11xy to the 3 over 2 power. So I want to make sure that I have parentheses around it because the entire 11xy is underneath the radical, and the 3 becomes this 3, and the implied 2 that's here becomes that 2. So the index is the denominator, and the exponent is the numerator. So this is okay, or if you wanted to, you could write it as 11 to the 3 over 2, x to the 3 over 2, and y to the 3 over 2. So either way is okay. For 16, the fifth root of y squared, that fifth root only applies to the y squared. So it's going to be 4xy to the 2 fifths. If you wanted to put a parentheses, you could, but you'd have to only put it around the y. So you could not do the entire thing in parentheses because that would apply the fifth root to everything, and the 4 and the x are not on the inside.